I needed to make some shelving for a space that needs more shelving, and I wasn't going to pay for the 2x4s that the lumberyard had in stock, so I decided to make my own out of 2x10s. I begin this process by basically cutting 2x4s off of the sides or the edges of the 2x10s. And yes, I'm cutting them like a 2x4 would be sized dimensionally, 3.5 by 1.5. Here's the reason why I'm doing this. Because if you look at the edges of a 2x10, you're going to find that the grain is more of like a rift style pattern when you cut those ends off into 2x4s, leaving the center tighter ring of the tree in the middle. And this is what I'm talking about here, more of a rift cut. Now I'm going to break these 2x4s down even further into 1x4s. So I place an X, a mark, on the board. That's the side that goes against the fence. I raise my saw blade up about over halfway the height of the board, and then of course I adjust the fence to about 3/4 and start cutting. Now, why the X? Well, it's pretty simple. I want to make sure that I orient that side of the board back to the fence when I make the second cut. So I'm just flipping the board end for end and cutting it down basically the same plane as I cut initially. And now I have 1x4s. And the yield that you end up with is a lot more, and it's cheaper than buying the 1x4s at the lumberyard. Now I'm not going to go through how I constructed this shelf, but know that it worked out really well. The boards were perfect sizes, and there's the finished product. Thanks for watching.